Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on send messages on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click roles, and now click here, now click permissions, and here we'll find send messages. Click on it and click save, and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.